The Amazon rainforest, alternatively, the Amazon jungle, also known in English as Amazonia, is a moist broadleaf tropical rainforest in the Amazon biome that covers most of the Amazon basin of South America. This basin encompasses 7 million square kilometers, 2,700,000 square miles, of which 5,500,000 square kilometers, 2,100,000 square miles, are covered by the rainforest. This region includes territory belonging to 9 nations. The majority of the forest is contained within Brazil, with 60% of the rainforest, followed by Peru with 13%, Colombia with 10%, and with minor amounts in Bolivia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Guyana, Suriname, and Venezuela. 4 nations have Amazonas as the name of one of their first-level administrative regions, and France uses the name Guiana Amazonian Park for its rainforest protected area. The Amazon represents over half of the planet's remaining rainforests, and comprises the largest and most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforest in the world, with an estimated 390 billion individual trees divided into 16,000 species. The Daintree Rainforest is a national park in Far North Queensland, Australia, 1,757 kilometres, 1,092 miles, northwest of Brisbane and 100 kilometres, 62 miles, northwest of Cairns. It was founded in 1981 and is part of the Wet Tropics of Queensland. In 1988 it became a World Heritage Site. The park consists of 2 sections, with a settled agricultural area between them, which includes the towns of Mossman and Daintree Village. Daintree National Park is valued because of its exceptional biodiversity. It contains significant habitat for rare species and prolific bird life. The name is derived from the Daintree River, which was named by George Elphinstone Dalrymple, an early explorer of the area, after his friend Richard Daintree. The Tongass National Forest in southeast Alaska is the largest national forest in the United States at 16.7 million acres, 68,000 square kilometers. Most of its area is part of the temperate rainforest WWF ecoregion, itself part of the larger Pacific temperate rainforest WWF ecoregion, and is remote enough to be home to many species of endangered and rare flora and fauna. The Tongass, which is managed by the United States Forest Service, encompasses islands of the Alexander Archipelago, fjords and glaciers, and peaks of the coast mountains. An international border with Canada, British Columbia, runs along the crest of the boundary ranges of the coast mountains. The forest is administered from Forest Service offices in Ketchikan. There are local ranger district offices located in Craig, Hoonah, Juneau, Ketchikan, Petersburg, Sitka, Thorne Bay, Wrangell, and Iqaluit. Danum Valley Conservation Area is a 438 square kilometers tract of relatively undisturbed lowland diptera herb forest in Sabah, Malaysia. It has an extensive diversity of tropical flora and fauna, including such species as the rare East Sumatran rhinoceros, Bornean orangutans, gibbons, mouse deer, clouded leopards, and over 270 bird species. Activities offered are jungle treks, river swimming, bird watching, night jungle tours, and excursions to nearby logging sites and timber mills. It is managed by Yayasan Sabah for conservation, research, education, and habitat restoration training purposes. There have been proposals to nominate the site as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sinharaja Forest Reserve is a forest reserve and a biodiversity hotspot in Sri Lanka. It is of international significance and has been designated a Biosphere Reserve and World Heritage Site by UNESCO. According to International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, Sinharaja is the country's last viable area of primary tropical rainforest. More than 60% of the trees are endemic and many of them are considered rare. 50% of Sri Lankan's endemic species of animals, especially butterfly, amphibians and fish species. It is home to 95% endemic birds. The hilly virgin rainforest, part of the Sri Lanka lowland rainforest's ecoregion, was saved from the worst of commercial logging by its inaccessibility, and was designated a World Biosphere Reserve in 1978 and a World Heritage Site in 1988. The Valdivian temperate forests is an ecoregion on the west coast of southern South America, in Chile and extending into Argentina. It is part of the Neotropical realm. The forests are named after the city of Valdivia. The Valdivian temperate rainforests are characterized by their dense understories of bamboos, ferns, and for being mostly dominated by evergreen angiosperm trees with some deciduous specimens, though conifer trees are also common. Covering about 65% of the land area of the island, 288,000 square kilometers, the forests of New Guinea encompass mountainous and lowland areas of particularly high biodiversity. Some of the world's major rivers flow through these forests, including the Asmat and Mamberano rivers in the Indonesian province of Papua, and the Sepik River in Papua New Guinea. In addition to an estimated 25,000 species of higher plants, these forests are also home to 760 bird species that are found nowhere else on Earth, tree kangaroos and other beautiful creatures such Queen Alexandra's birdwing, with a wingspan that can reach 28 centimeters,